Hi, I'm Max, and this is Eggplant's Autocomplete interview. Cool, okay. Does Max know how to spell his surname? F-R-E-E-B-O-R-O-U-G-H hyphen Gerrard, G-E-R-R-A-R-D. I learned to spell that when I was probably about four or five, I think. Although my friends actually call me Freebie-Jeebie, is that my nickname with my friends. Okay, so which one's this? Okay, does Max know how testing provides value? So, testing provides value by allowing you to release a product that has a really great customer experience. So there's nothing more frustrating than going onto an app or going onto a website, trying to go and purchase something, buy something, book a flight, whatever it might be, and then suddenly the application crashes or is just unusable anymore. You're more likely to just go and leave and do a transaction somewhere else. So testing allows you to find all of these things out before you release your product, so that you can be sure that when you release the new version with the new features in it, all of your users are going to be delighted by the experience they get, and your company is going to be more easily able to hit its business outcomes. So the last question is, does Max know how to implement automated testing? Well, one of the amazing things we do at Eggplant is make our product super easy to use and super easy to implement. So lots of our users actually come from a very non-technical base. So maybe they've only ever done manual testing before and they've never learned to script, never learned to code. Well, one of the great things about our products is that we can actually do a lot of the scripting and a lot of the creating of the models with Eggplant without needing any technical background, and we can auto-generate a huge amount of these things. But also, to help you get started, we provide what we call a fast start, which is usually a 5 or a 10-day service provided by an expert technical consultant within your particular industry, which will really help you with installation, it'll help you with training, and they'll also ensure that you get off to the best possible start. So we'll make sure that we integrate Eggplant into all of your current products so that it can just really quickly become part of your day-to-day testing. Now, the other great thing we also do is we can actually allow you to take post-production data and go and feed that into all of your pre-production testing. It's a really unique thing that no one else in the industry is doing right now. So the way that we do that is we allow you to have a sort of tag within your website. We follow all of your users, whether they're on the website or whether they're on the app, feed that data into our Eggplant AI engine, so we can auto-generate all of those tests for you. We can understand, well, what are the real users actually doing, and then we can ensure that every time you do a new release of your product, we're doing all of the tests and all of the journeys that those users are ending up doing. One final amazing thing we also do is we can integrate into things like the App Store, so we can understand when you release your product, is it going to increase or decrease your App Store rating, and we do this using our Release Insights platform. We can say things much more linked to business outcomes, like if you release this product today, we expect that your App Store rating might go up by 0.3 of a star, your revenue for this particular area will go up by 8%, and then you can be making much more informed decisions about whether to release your products or not.
What does it feel like to work at Eggplant?
So working at Eggplant is a fantastic experience. One of the things that I really love is the variety and the different things we do every single day. Another one of the really great things is the people at the company. Everyone's super ambitious, super bright. We always want to try and innovate every day. And if I think about from when I first started here, we started selling a single product. We now have a whole suite of solutions to help people with the whole testing life cycle from pre to post-production. And it's also, the products we make are absolutely amazing. We have one of the best development teams in the industry, and we're always adding new things that just make my life really easy to go and sell our products.